This is a leaf of the giant water lily. It expands by over 20 centimeters a day and eventually measures more than 2 meters across. The leaves float high in the water, and their surfaces are dotted with tiny holes, drains, that help them ensure that rainwater doesn't accumulate and sink them. Over the next few months, the lily will produce some 40 or so of these gigantic leaves. And as each one reaches the surface and expands, more and more light is taken from those plants that are trying to grow beneath. Competitors are pushed aside. Some are crushed or skewered.